Happy New Year, everyone. Tony Abboud here, criminal defense lawyer for over 20 years, talking to you about the recent arraignment of former Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro and his wife. Many of you have reached out to us and said, hey, what's going on? Talk about the case. Give us your opinion and tell us why is this happening in the state of New York. So the first court appearance was an arraignment. Maduro and his wife appeared on January the 5th for an arraignment, and typically what happens is you appear with your lawyer. There's going to be a not guilty plea. The court did not address bond, so both Maduro and his wife are going to be held without bond at this time. First of all, the United States government can bring a federal matter, not a state matter, but a federal matter in any United States district court in the United States. So why New York? First of all, there's a lot of high-profile international cases that happen in New York. For some reason, that's the jurisdiction the government likes to use for whatever reason. Number two, it has to be able to show a couple different things. How did it impact that jurisdiction? Specifically, did it impact via drugs? Did it impact via money? Did it impact via co-conspirators? What's interesting about this case, the original indictment occurred in March of 2020. 6 months later, there was a superseding indictment, which basically means that the government had additional information to either add more charges or more co-conspirators. What people don't understand in federal cases, it's always proactive investigations. The investigators are constantly working, they're constantly obtaining information, they're constantly investigating, and they're adding more information. They're feeding that file. As they're feeding that file, the U.S. attorney looks at it and says, I want to add more charges, I want to add more co-conspirators, and that's how this case continues to grow. We may see another 4, 5, 6 more additional superseding indictments in this matter before it ends. The next stages of the proceeding, there's a March 17th court date, basically talks about pretrial procedures, any pretrial motions that either the government or the defense lawyers will be filing. Stay tuned, come back to this channel for more information. Comment below if there's anything that you want us to cover, any questions that you have specifically about this federal indictment.